For many, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's a culinary rite of passage. It's known for its iconic silhouette and unrivaled durability. This mixer has remained the centerpiece of American kitchens for generations. In 2026, the Artisan Series continues to set the standard for home baking. Combining a powerful 10-speed motor with a built-to-last metal construction, it handles everything from delicate meringues to heavy bread doughs. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a high-volume holiday baker, this machine is engineered to turn complex recipes into effortless successes. Here are the key features and specifications that make the Artisan Series a must-have for your countertop.
This KitchenAid mixer just made 9 dozen cookies in one batch, and I'm never going back to hand mixing. Seriously, look at this 5-quart stainless steel. It handles everything from a small batch of muffins to feeding an army of hungry relatives. The metal construction is built to last, and these 59 touch points around the bowl mean every ingredient gets perfectly incorporated. No more lumpy cookie dough or uneven mixing. The tilt-head design makes adding ingredients so much easier. I just lift the head, pour in my chocolate chips, lock it back down, and let the mixer do its magic. 10 different speeds give me complete control whether I'm gently folding in delicate ingredients or whipping cream to stiff peaks. This juniper color looks gorgeous on my counter, and the dishwasher-safe bowl makes cleanup a breeze. After years of fighting with hand mixers that burned out or gave me arm cramps, this KitchenAid has completely transformed my baking.
The KitchenAid Artisan Series remains the gold standard for stand mixers because it balances its professional-grade power with home kitchen convenience. Its ability to scale from small tasks to massive batches, like 108 cookies at once, which makes it an incredibly versatile workhorse, while other mixers may come and go. The Artisan's dishwasher-safe components and timeless design ensure it remains a functional piece of kitchen art for years to come. If you are looking to elevate your baking game with a tool that offers both precision and longevity, the Artisan 5 Quart is the definitive choice.